40 minutes to 10 minutes. Ganyan na lang daw ang magiging biyahe mula Parañaque hanggang Taguig sa bagong proyektong inilunsad ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
Tatlong malalaking infrastructure project ang pinasinayaan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ngayong umaga. Kabilang dito ang groundbreaking ceremony ng Cavitex-Calax Link, Cavitex C5 Link Segment 3B at inauguration ng Cavitex C5 Link Sucat Interchange. Ang mga ito ay joint project ng Philippine Reclamation Authority, Toll Regulatory Board at Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation. Sa sandaling matapos, 50,000 motorista ang makikinabang sa Cavitex C5 Link.
Finally, we have the Cavitex C5 Link Expressway Segment 3B. This is a 2-kilometer road coming from Sucat Interchange going to E. Rodriguez in C5 Road, Taguig. Upon completion, we expect that the travel time from Cavitex R1 Expressway section to Slex C5 Road will greatly be reduced from what is now 40 minutes to 10 minutes.
Hindi lamang daw traffic ang matutulungan ng mga proyekto, subalit maging ang ekonomiya o negosyo.
And we don't need to worry that much about traffic as we are having to do now. And that will, again, be to the benefit of our small businessmen, to our farmers, and all of those who require transportation for their livelihood.
Nagpasalamat naman ang Pangulo sa pasensya, pag-unawa at suportang ibinigay ng publiko habang kinukumpleto pa raw ang mga proyekto. Kasabay nito, inanunsyo ni PBBM ang pansamantalang suspensyon ng collection ng toll fee sa Cavitex.
The PRA, or the Philippine Reclamation Authority, as operator of the Cavitex, proposed to suspend the collection of toll fees for all types of vehicles passing through the Manila-Cavite Toll Expressway in Taguig, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Bacoor, and Kawit for 30 days. And this will introduce our new roads to expressways to those who are in need of that transport system.
Pinatitiyak ng Pangulo sa Toll Regulatory Board na maipatutupad ito. Mobile Journal Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.